Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for pagination web table using our Water. Okay, for paginations, right? Different applications they are providing for different thing. One is previous, and they will provide for one borrow numbers like 1, 2, 3, uh, and next like this. Okay, and sometimes they will provide for two and single one, and then they will use for 1, 2, 3s, and again they will use for like these symbols. Okay, and like this they can able to use. Okay, it's a reverse, it is there, sorry. And like this, and sorry, that is a previous one, and this is the next one page, and this will be a two pages. Like this they can able to provide. Some places they will provide directly 2, 3, 4. If they have for very less, and they can allow up to 10 numbers. Okay. After 10 numbers, they will keep it for next symbol. Okay. And if you click next symbol, after that it will come for 11 to 20 like this. And also they will provide for previous. And here also it will go back to 10 pages. Okay. Some people they can able to click for 1, 2, 3 like this only. Okay. Based upon that, I took for just numbers right now. Okay, in case if you have any application which it is there for this kind of actions, you can provide me. I'll try to make you for that one automation for that also. Okay. Now I'm taking for this pagination purpose, this particular website. This is the pagination table, and this is the numbers, and this is my values. If I click and I can able to choose this value, and then I need to relate to checkbox. I need to check the checkbox. Okay, from the Selenium perspective, we are going to take for first these four numbers, then we are going to do for verifying each page value. If it is matched, then we are going to click for this particular checkbox by using for loops. Okay, the similar format we can able to do in our Water also. Okay, first of all, we'll create for one script. Okay, and then I'm going to use for browser installation and navigation for that particular browser. Okay, for this particular browser, this is my URL, and I'll make it. Okay, and then I will do for maximize that particular window. Okay, up to here fine, but my table is in the almost all bottom, or you can able to say center also. Okay, bottom page or center. For that we need to scroll down. Okay, scrolling web pages and all I'll show you in that another video also. Okay, this is just for scrolling. Okay, first I can use for browser dot scroll to center. I'll make it. Okay, center. Once I get the center, then I'll make it for waiting for 1 second. Otherwise sometimes, right, if you done for immediately, maybe it will not give you for 100% accuracy. Okay, now we need to get that first one. This one I will take it for laptop. Okay, if it is match, we'll click this one, and then we'll try for last one. Okay, first I'll take for this one. Okay, and I'll use for target name as my laptop one. Okay, and then there are some of the things. Okay, first we need to use these numbers to identify. Okay, for this you can see this a class name is there, and ID also it is presented. We can able to take that as a pagination one. Okay, my pagination is equal to browser dot, there is a tag name called ul. Okay, this is a tag name called ul. Okay, I'm going to use for ul tag name, and then I'm using for my class name. Okay, now we are able to find our ul things. Okay, now inside the uls we need to get my links, because see hyperlinks l, and there is a link a tag means hyperlink, right? Now I need to get from inside that UL what all the links we have, that all the links I want it. Okay. Now we are able to get for links. Then I need to use for map. Okay, and then I need to use for dollar, sorry, and symbol and text. Okay, this will give you for all the links which is presented under this UL. Okay, UL under this, what are the links it is presented? It will provide for all the links, but I need to extract from there also. Sometimes if there is any special characters or spaces also, I need to exclude, and then I need to get for selected text values only. Only I want to get for text value. Then that will return for my pages. Okay. Now I'm going to use for my pages. Okay. And this is my syntax. Okay. Pages dot select and text dot matches, not require this matches actually. Okay. And I will do for one thing. Uh, I have tried all the possibilities, that's why I am doing this one. Okay. Equal to and tilde operator. Text space equal to and tilde operator and forward slashes, and then we need to give the tab and backward slash and d plus dollar and cross, and then map is not required. Okay, map is not required. From this particular one, it will return for all the numbers 1 to 4. Okay, from that we need to rotate the for loop. Okay, now I'm rotate the for loop. Then what else we need to do? We got that numbers. Okay, if I use for text. Okay, text is nothing but to forward slash and this one, and then text is equal to 1. See, 1 is highlighted. Okay, but here the tag, if I mention, is a. Now you see only 1 it is presented. Now if I go for 2, see second one is highlighted, right? Anchor tag is having for this one. Okay, now I'll use for my browser dot link, okay, which is the link it is presented, text colon and page number, which is my page number, it is there, that particular number, and then I'll give the end, and we can see whether it will run and click for all the numbers or not. Okay, now we are going to run for TC08 dynamic RB. Okay, now I am running this particular file. See, it is now loading and it is maximized, and you can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we are able to navigate, right? 1 2 3 4 like this we are able to navigate. Then what else we can do? After we got it, we need to find the table. This is my table. Okay, I'm going to do for the inspect. This is here, and here it is there, and this is my table ID. Okay, from this particular table ID, and I'm going to use for browser, and this is my ID, and I can able to use for my browser table. Okay, now I'm able to store my table. From this particular table, I need to get all the rows. From that particular table, I need to get all the rows which is presented under that, right? Now I'm going to use for table dot for loop, and for rows dot each do and rows. Okay, once I got the rows, and inside the row, each and every cell I want to read. This one and this one and this one, this one. Because we need to, if it that particular row, if this particular cell value is matches, inside the particular one, I need to click this checkbox to check, right? Then definitely I need to do, right? Then we need to use for row dot cell each do and cell. Okay. Once it is getting this one, and then I need to use the if condition. If my cell sorry, dot text is equal to my target name. Okay. Once it is getting, and then I need to print both the values. Okay. both the values, and here you can see my text and this one equal, and my one, this one and this one need to be closed. Okay, once I got it, now once it is my break, once it is fine, I need to click my checkbox, right? This is my checkbox. I need to click the checkbox, right? For this, what I can do, there is a one method called row dot checkbox dot set. Okay, I'm going to set this particular set box to click on this one. Okay, once it is click, I need to break that entire things, but directly I can't break it, right? Because this particular for loop we need to close. If it is not there also, it will goes again and again. Okay, you can see. uh, okay, now without like last for loop, without breaking that, we can see now. Okay, expected cell dot text dot equal to target oh shit, what happened? We are able to do right. Is closed. Why Selenium is coming then? H2 tag. Target guard laptop, because we have already targeted, that is the one. Correct only. Now paginations, it is working. Pagination, up to pagination it is working. And then we need to using for table, and here this is my ID of the table, whether it is correct or not. Yeah, ID. And then we are getting for all the for loops, and for each loop do, and okay, spaces also provide, and the cell dot text, which is the cell value, it is coming from the cell row dot each and do, and breaking, and then for this one and this one and this one, both is completed, and the final one also closed. I'm not done any mistake. Okay, nothing done mistake. Ah, see, it is clicked, and again it is going to check all the for loops, right? All the loops again it is checking. Okay, I don't want to do this all the things. Okay, but I need to break this loop. Once it is click on the first time itself, I need to click it. Okay, once it is click, I'll use for sleep dot 2 seconds. Okay, to wait and see that whether it is checked or not. Okay, but I need to break the loop as well. Okay, I need to break the loop as well. For that, what I can do, right? I'll declare as a one found equal to false. Okay, the same found I can able to use it here. Once I able to do that, inside that I can use for true. Okay, once I get the true, then I need to use for here break if found is presented as a true. Okay, Then again I'm going to run my one. See, it is click that and it is waiting, and it will is not moving in the next page, but the same page it is presented, right? Perfectly it is breaked. Okay. Now similar format, if I use mine as a this one, okay, and I'm going to back to here and I'll keep it here and save, and then I'm going to use it this one. Now I click, I given a value from the fourth, which is the last one, it is there. Now again it is running all the pages. See now, see the checkbox is checked. Perfect, right? Like this we can able to do for pagination. Okay. I hope it you got it this entire things. Okay. In case if you have any questions or anything, you can comment on that. Or if you have any web application which is related to this particular section, you can provide me that URL. I'll make it for another video for this. Okay. I hope it this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.